For centuries, humanity has gazed upward, drawn to the night sky by wonder and curiosity. We have traced constellations, imagined stories in the stars, and mapped the heavens with the tools at our disposal. Each star, each faint glow, became a landmark of our desire to understand, a small attempt to grasp the infinite. We named them, counted them, charted their motions, and through observation convinced ourselves that we could tame the vastness of space. Yet, with every new discovery, the universe reminded us of our smallness. Its complexity was beyond comprehension, its scale humbling. Then came the James Webb Space Telescope. Unlike any instrument before, it was built not just to observe, but to reach back across time itself, to witness the birth of galaxies, the first light after the dawn of the cosmos, and the structures that shaped the universe as we know it. Where Hubble had opened a window to distant galaxies, revealing tens of thousands in a single patch of sky, Webb tore open the curtain of time. Its golden mirrors captured light traveling over 13 billion years, delivering images of galaxies that existed mere hundreds of millions of years after the Big Bang. These were not chaotic, amorphous clouds of stars. They were structured, mature, complex, galaxies already formed, already evolving. For the first time, humanity saw the early universe in unprecedented detail. Every image revealed threads of connection, filaments of matter binding galaxies into vast cosmic webs. Structures stretched for billions of light years, too vast and too precise to be random. The cosmos was not a chaotic explosion of matter. It had form, design, and patterns woven into its very fabric. Even more astonishing, these young galaxies contained heavy elements, star clusters, and spiraling arms. Features that, by all existing models, should not have existed so early. The universe, it seemed, was far older and far more intricate than we had imagined. Perhaps time itself is layered, cyclical, or flowing in ways we cannot yet comprehend. Webb revealed the universe as an endless ocean of light and shadow, where each galaxy is a testament to the power of creation and the persistence of structure. The telescope did more than capture images, it mirrored our own place in the cosmos. Against the backdrop of billions of galaxies, humanity appears fragile, fleeting, yet we are also remarkable. We are the species capable of building eyes that see across time, of understanding the story of existence through light itself. Each exposure Webb records is a conversation with the past, a window into the first sparks of stars, the formation of galaxies, the scaffolding upon which all cosmic history is built. In those images we see order and chaos, creation and destruction, a universe alive with motion and possibility. For generations, certainty gave us comfort. But Webb reminds us that the universe is larger, stranger, and more magnificent than we can fully grasp. There may be no true edge, no final boundary, no single beginning or end. There may be only cycles, rhythms, and infinite horizons. And yet, in this vastness we find significance. Through Webb, humanity glimpses its own reflection in the cosmos, small, yes, but capable of understanding, of marveling, of reaching beyond its world to touch the infinite. The telescope shows us not only the universe but our own endless curiosity. Knowledge is not a destination, it is a gateway. And through that gateway lies something vast, timeless, and eternal, waiting for those brave enough to look. The universe is alive, not silent, not static, but vibrating with history, pattern, and possibility. Every galaxy captured by the James Webb Space Telescope is more than a distant collection of stars. Each one is a story, a record of creation unfolding across billions of years, a reminder that the cosmos is both ancient and alive. Humanity now stands at the edge of understanding, eyes wide open, hearts full of wonder, witnessing what once seemed unimaginable. The faintest photons, traveling across more than 13 billion years, arrive at our instruments carrying tales of the first stars, the first galaxies, and the invisible scaffolding of dark matter that shapes everything we see. Webb does more than show us what exists. It reveals the architecture of the universe itself. It uncovers patterns that whisper of order within chaos, of design woven into the very fabric of space and time. Filaments of matter stretch across unimaginable distances, connecting galaxies into vast cosmic webs. Some of these structures span billions of light years, their scale and precision far beyond what we ever expected from the early universe. And yet, Webb's images are more than scientific records. They are mirrors, reflecting our own place in the grand scheme. Against this backdrop of countless galaxies, humanity feels both infinitesimal and extraordinary. We are small, fragile, and fleeting, mere flickers of consciousness on a tiny world orbiting an ordinary star. Yet we are also the first generation capable of seeing across billions of years of cosmic history, capable of reading the light of creation itself. Each exposure, each carefully calculated observation, is a conversation with time. Webb allows us to peer into the earliest moments of the cosmos, to witness the birth of the first stars, the ignition of the first galaxies, and the subtle patterns that connect them. We see formation and destruction, turbulence and harmony, order and randomness. The universe is alive in ways we are only beginning to comprehend. For decades, humanity believed in the finality of beginnings. The Big Bang was a singular moment from which all things flowed. But Webb challenges that narrative. Some of the galaxies it has revealed are older and more structured than we expected. Their very existence hints at a cosmos that may be cyclical, layered, or operating on rhythms far deeper than our current theories allow. Time itself may be more fluid than we imagined, intertwined and infinite, stretching endlessly in ways that defy conventional understanding. Standing before Webb's revelations, we confront our greatest paradox. We are insignificant, yet capable of comprehension. Fleeting, yet capable of observation. Tiny, yet able to witness infinity. The universe stretches beyond imagination, yet we are its witnesses. It is vast, mysterious, and indifferent, yet we are participants in its story simply by daring to look. Webb's golden mirrors have opened a door, but they have also revealed a reflection. The boundless curiosity of those who gaze into the heavens, the courage to seek the unknown, and the infinite ambition that drives us to reach beyond the sky. Humanity is not merely observing creation, we are recognizing ourselves within it. The universe is alive, and in its light, we see our own potential. In its patterns, we glimpse the echoes of order and chaos that shape our existence. In its depth, we feel both the weight of our fragility and the brilliance of our imagination. Webb has not merely revealed distant galaxies, it has illuminated the infinite ambition of those who dare to see. And as we stand at the threshold of understanding, the cosmos reminds us, the story is not finished. There are mysteries still waiting, secrets yet to be revealed, and wonders beyond the edge of our perception. The universe is watching, listening, and inviting us to look deeper. This is the promise of exploration. This is the thrill of discovery. This is the gift of curiosity. Humanity is no longer just a species on a pale blue dot. We are observers of time itself. Witnesses to infinity. And the universe, in all its endless complexity, is alive, waiting for us to understand, to marvel, and to continue the story.